Yes, baby.
Moo.
That's a cow sound?
Yeah. That's how I sound too. Oof, oof, oof.
Is that a doggy sound too?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Blanket. Hungry. Wink, wink.
Is that what Piggy says?
Yeah.
Good job.
Wink, wink, wink.
Who says ribbit, ribbit?
Mommy!
Yes, baby.
It's not water. It's no water.
There's no water.
Oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh. No, hurt.
Lay down, baby. Take your nap.
No one too. Mommy!
Yes, baby.
Moo.
Moo.
Yeah.
Is that what a cow says when it's time for a nap?
Yeah.
Okay. Then nap time.
Hey, ducky nap.
Oh, a ducky's gonna take a nap?
Yeah.
What does a ducky say when he takes a nap?
Yeah.
He's
Quack.
quack quack.
Hey, duck. Hey, quack. Woof, woof, pancake. Woof, woof, pancake.
Is that a doggy and a duck?
Yeah, also. Duck. Woof, woof, woof. Now do duck. Where the cow the bow bow. Cow bow bow. Mommy!
Yes, baby. It's nap time. We need to take a nap so we could go do something fun. We can watch Mickey Clubhouse after you take your nap. Yep, Mickey Clubhouse after your nap.